Hey, I'm Jen Severn, and I am doing a series for people who did not grow up going to church, who did not grow up in a Christian home, and maybe you have questions about how do I learn to walk with God? Because that was me. I didn't know anything about reading my Bible. I didn't not know anything about the books of the Bible, how to talk to God, how to pray, how to follow Jesus. I didn't know about Christian marriage, how to be a Christian mom, none of it. I did not know anything. And so I learned to walk with God in a culture that really doesn't even believe that God exists. And so if that's you, that was me too. So I'm going to be doing a series that's just all about learning to walk with God when nothing around us even believes that God is real. So if you're interested, if you want to learn more about God or how to walk with God, come follow along on my stories, follow along my reel, ask any question that you want. And I don't know, I'm not an expert. I'll just teach you what